Hey guys, I got some more RV keys. These are from BluedogKeys.com. Whoa, what an assortment. It says unlock RV security Bauer RV 301 through 360. Let's get a close look at these bad boys. From BluedogKeys.com. Here's the keys close up. All black-headed keys. They come on this nice strand of a key strand, key holder. Pretty nice. Now let's learn a little more about these keys. Here's the keys. Nice and close up. Now the cool thing about these keys is you get them all on a big keychain. And if you're an RV guy, maintenance, whatever, you gotta have these keys.
It looks like this is an image of a product listing for a set of RV keys. Here's what the listing says. Unlock RV security. Bauer RV 301 to 360. Link to product. Link to BluedogKeys.com. This Bauer RV 301 to 360 Tryout key set is the ultimate solution for locksmiths specializing in RV security. Designed for precision and efficiency, this set covers a wide range of codes from RV 301 to RV 360, ensuring you have the right key for the job. Crafted with durable materials and featuring black plastic heads for easy identification, these keys are built to last. Say goodbye to frustrating lockouts and hello to streamlined RV locksmithing. This set is your trusted partner for rekeying, replacements, and all RV lock-related services.
There you have it. Now I got to show you something else. This is really going to be helpful. If you go to my community post, you are going to be able to see these keys, where you get them, and what they go to. Here's the whole list. And then you got a hot link. Right there. Please subscribe to my channel, tell your friends. I'll have more door and lock tips like this stuff coming your way in the future. Yeah. I wanted to show you guys exactly how to navigate my community post. So let's take a look. First of all, you're going to open up YouTube. And you're going to have to go to my channel. When you get to my channel, you're going to see this landing page. You're going to move over slightly and you're going to get to the post area. Now in this post area, I have tons of information. I have literally spent hours putting this all together. You're going to scroll down and you're going to get down to where the Bluedog key area is. It's kind of after that wrench. So there's all the Bluedog keys, the information all right there for you. Yeah. Well, it's that time again. You don't want to forget to hit that like button. Tell your friends. Oh, and we've got some more info coming your way right now. Let's watch. I want to show you a little thing that you may not know about YouTube. Do you know about posting? Posting. So if you go to my main cover page, which looks like this, isn't that cool? And you go to the word post. Now, under that word, you're going to notice all kinds of goodies. Look at my latest posts. Now, if you want to learn a lot of in-depth things, go to my posts. I have all kinds of articles that I have posted about engravers. Look at this cool one right here. It's a little pricey, but boy, is that a beaut. Look at that thing. Oh, keep going down. And we're going to go down to, ooh, there's a good one. Lubrication to use on your lock picking adventures. Oh, there's a portable, compact design fume extractor. That is great. It's made by this company right here, Nova Spig. That's a great company, by the way. And then you can see all about leashes, the reference guide, and you're going to keep going down. There's a great ladder if you need it. We're going to go down to something that'll be near and dear to your heart because it has a lot of relevance on this video today. Now, if you go past where the wrench, is a great tool, by the way. There's generic code. Now that's the software you're going to need to cut some of these keys that are not pre-cut. And this is all by BluedogKeys.com. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go down to the key of our choice today. Goodies. I highly suggest you go to Bluedog Keys and get these bad boys. It will make your life a lot easier. It really will. And the cool thing about my posts, they stay up there like a website forever. Ooh, yeah. So Bluedog Keys is a way to get this stuff. I'm just saying, go to my post. You're gonna love it. I have in-depth posts. I really do. You just go to this ribbon and you just touch post and there's the goodies. You may not have known that about YouTube. It's really a great thing. I love it. Highly suggest it. And there's a key engraver you won't regret. So there you have it, guys. This is Mike with Door and Lock Tips. I hope you have enjoyed the show. Again, Mike with Door and Lock Tips. Don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks again, guys. We'll see you on the next one.